So let's say you're in a group setting, you know most people, but there's like one guy you don't know his name because maybe you just met him, maybe you've met him before, but you don't remember his name, and you're just talking, like some group conversation is naturally happening, and after a few minutes, maybe 10 minutes, you still don't know the person's name. Maybe like 30 minutes, you still don't know the person's name. 30 minutes later, they might start to feel a bit bad that you haven't even asked for their name, especially if they know your name, because maybe your name has been obvious. Like, especially, dude, if he asks for your name and you say your name, but you don't ask him back, that's like a major no-no. That's just gonna, make him feel like, he's not being included, like you don't want him there. And yes, this is absolutely based on a personal experience I had yesterday. So it just made me think, has this happened to me before? And I see it happen, like I see people not being included. And I made a video about this, about how to make people feel more included. Because I think like that's a very good way to make people like it, just like make them feel included, and they're going to feel great. So don't forget about that. It doesn't matter if you forgot their names, just ask them again, it's fine. But especially if you've never asked for their name and you don't know their name, please ask them as soon as possible. Do not postpone it.